How to tie the Pratt knot. Grab your tie and put it around your neck with the wide side on your left and the seam facing outward. Make an X with the tie with the wide end underneath the thin end. Bring the wide end up and into the loop you made with your X. Pull it down and back towards the right side. Bring the wide end across to the left side. I tuck my finger in here so it's easier to grab in the next step. Bring the wide end up through the X hole. Reach in and pull it down there. I use my other hand to help guide the tie down as I'm cinching up this knot. Then you can cinch that up. And there's the Pratt knot. Thank you.